Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to liquid stake Filecoin and how to participate in farming from Bifrost. Bifrost made an announcement today about the vFIL farming pool is live. The current APR is more than 100%. So to participate, first of all, you need a metamask wallet and add the Filecoin to the metamask. There are different ways you can add it. So you can use a chain list where you can search the Filecoin and connect your wallet. So this is one way you can add. The second one is manually add the Filecoin to the EVM. So go to MetaMask, find the settings and find the networks and then add network here. So you need to manually add the network and all the information I will post below the video. So you can add the Filecoin and you can see it on your MetaMask. And you need to send some Filecoin from SEX. Some of them supported EVM, some of them didn't. If your SEX didn't, don't worry, you can still use a FoxWallet. I'm going to quickly show you how to create one account and make sure the network you select Filecoin and Filecoin EVM. And here on the top left of your wallet, you can switch to the network of Filecoin or Filecoin EVM. So it supports both of them. So I'm going to first go to the Filecoin and here I need to get my address. So this is the address I'm going to use and send some Filecoin from the other account or from the SEX. And now I get a little bit of Filecoin. And this Filecoin right now, you need to send it to the MetaMask. So I click the transfer, send it to the MetaMask wallet address. And the first time I just put 0.01 Filecoin and make sure it's working. So after I confirm, it may need to wait a little bit time. And then once it went through, then you can check it has been sent and go to your MetaMask, check if you get it. Okay, we get it. Now I can send all the rest of them. So just do the same thing, send all the Filecoin to the MetaMask. And then now we need to go to the Bifrost. So this Filecoin need to add to Bifrost. So we go to the Bifrost website and update the metadata. And then you can see the button stake now, stake the vFIL. And so when you click that, you need to first cross in some Filecoin. And so it will ask you to sign in your JS wallet and also connect to your MetaMask. And so make sure you bind the correct one because once you bind it, you cannot change it. And so we will just sign and also bind the MetaMask with your JS wallet. And so click OK and now you bind it successfully. And so after that, you still need to do one more thing is to cross in all the Filecoins. I just cross in all the Filecoins and it will take a little bit time and you will be able to get all the Filecoin. Here I just stake half of them because I want to participate in the farming. And so I get 1.5 of the Filecoin and I get 1.5 of the Filecoin for the vFIL. So now I go to the liquidity and add the file vFIL. So here there's a tricky part. If you click max, it may not work out because they cannot handle the number with digit after the decimal. So I will just keep two numbers, so 1.49 instead of all of them. And then click add liquidity. So this should work out. And once you approve, you will see your LP. And don't forget to now go to the farm and you need to add your LP to the farm so to get higher APY. And so after you confirm, now you get more than 100% APY. Alright, so a quick recap of vFIL minting details. 300,000 vFIL hard cap. Minimum minting is 1 Filecoin and the base staking APR is 20%. The farming pool has more than 8,000 BNC rewards. Unbundling period, let's go to 520 days. The default unbundling period for the Filecoin is 520 days, but with the protocol of Bifrost, you can unbund it less than the day as long as someone else joined the the pool and provide liquidity. So that's all for today's video. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful, and thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.